Hey everybody, this is Julio of Echale Porras Productions, and today we're gonna be cooking up the Grill Master Collection from ALDI's. Let's get started. This collection has 2 ribeye steaks, 2 New York strip steaks, 2 bacon wrapped filet mignons, 8 burgers, 2 boneless pork chops, and 2 chicken breasts. But today we're cooking up a ribeye steak, 1 filet mignon, a pork chop, a strip steak, 1 chicken breast, and 2 burgers. And we're doing it all here on the Cuisinart 360 griddle. So we're gonna let our grill come up to temperature, and then we'll get all the meats on here. And to be honest, I kinda lied. The filet mignon we're doing in the air fryer. Here we have an air fryer pressure cooker combo, which is just awesome. I mean, as my wife says, all these is life. So I'm gonna put it in here on the roasting rack, get the lid on. We're going to turn this on, put it to meat. Let's go 370 for 10 minutes. And now let's let it do its magic. And this sucker's been preheating, so now we can finally get all our steaks, our pork chop, or chicken onto the grill. Let's do it. Sexy! Put some oil. This thing is ripping hot. So start off with our ribeye. Our New York, our pork chop, and our pollo. Slap these burgers right in the middle. And all of these have already been seasoned with some garlic salt, where we're gonna throw a little bit extra while these things are cooking. So for the pork chop, some mango habanero seasoning. Chicken, some garlic. On our New York steak, a nice steak pepper crust. And on our ribeye, pitmaster rub. So obviously for the chicken, we're going for well done, but for the steaks, we're going for a medium rare. So that way, if I mess it up, we're still in medium vicinity. Let's check these. Ooh, give that guy a flip, beautiful. Our ribeye, pork chop, and our chicken. Give this guy a flip. So we flipped them, and we're gonna go for about 3 more minutes until we start checking temperature. Strip is temping around 127, so we're gonna take that off. We're gonna take off our ribeye as well. Our burgers are looking good. Our pork and our chicken, we gotta make sure that one's cooked to perfection, because we don't want some salmonella here. All right, everything's off the griddle. We're gonna let it rest for a bit, and then we're gonna go taste test. All right, and here they are, half of the ALDI butcher box. Let's start off with this pork chop. Really good. And that little bit of mango habanero seasoning really put it over the top. I did good. The New York strip. Look at that beautiful red. The ribeye. This one, a little more brown, but still some nice pink in there. Try a piece of burger. The chicken. Ooh, beautiful. That juicy, perfectly cooked. And now our air fried filet mignon. See how this turns out. Look at that. That. Air frying this was the route to go, because if you want nice medium rare, maybe I went a little bit on some of these, but that's why I gave myself the window to go medium rare, and then if I went over, it'd go medium or medium well, but not well done. And that was half of the ALDI's butcher box. New York ribeye, pork chop, chicken, filet mignon, and some burgers. Be on the lookout, because we're gonna be using the other half in various videos. But anyways, I've been Julio. This is Echale Porras Productions. We know it's been a while, but we'd appreciate it if you guys could like, subscribe, and leave any suggestions for future recipes down in the comments. So, stay safe, stay awesome,